Hello, my name is Christian Claypool. I'm a chemical engineer and MBA student at the University of Nevada, Reno. Science, engineering, and technology have fascinated me since I was a child. I've been asking questions, looking for answers, taking things apart to see how they work, and building things since I can remember. On my degrees in chemical engineering, I made it a point to learn about a wide variety of fields in my own time. One of my core beliefs is that science and engineering doesn't need to be presented in an esoteric or difficult to understand manner. In fact, I would say the vast majority of what I've learned outside of the topics covered in my undergrad program has been the result of reading blog posts and articles on those topics that I was interested in that broke down those complex ideas into more simple to understand and easier to conceptualize pieces. It's for this reason that I've decided to start my own blog, Engineering Everything. In my posts, I discuss topics in math, science, engineering, and technology that I find interesting and attempt to frame them in a way such that they're easily understood. I certainly don't claim to be an expert on the subject matter presented, as a lot of this stuff that I've taught myself. However, I attempt to break down those topics into the way that I learn them and conceptualize them. The posts that I write cover technical topics in areas ranging from math and chemistry to electronics, and serve to document any other projects that I'm working on that I think could be used as interesting learning lessons. In addition to more technical posts, I try to find interesting ways to frame the subjects that I'd like to talk about. Some examples for the kinds of things that I've posted about so far are what a computer is, and what's going on inside the one you're using right this moment. How physics and chemistry can be used to explore the skies on alien planets and what they'd look like, in terms of how bright the star would look and what color the sky would be. How math and chaos equations can be used to create visually interesting 3D models for things like nebulas. How to render black holes based on the theories that govern their behavior. The elements that make up the universe we live in, and what atoms are, and what's inside of those. How many potato batteries it would take to light up a pickle. How computers can be built with electronic components and digital logic. What it would look like if Earth had a ring. And why it's probably best to turn away from planets when jumping in your starship to light speed. Please join me as I write in the hopes of inspiring interest in science, math, engineering, and technology and others, and provide useful and interesting material for those who seek to learn.